Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Perfect Heroine Wants to Possess Me, Chapter 100, Part 2. So here it is. Let's read the story. Right now, Jishao, she was rushing through. She wanted to pick up Wei Xingyu, so the two of them are having dinner together and talking about what happened today. Suddenly, she got interrupted. Xiao Xiao, Dad has already asked for a leave for you. Let's have a meal with Dad. Turns out, it was her father right now. It's like she's going to take her away. Well, what is Ji Xingyun wants to her at this moment? That's why he said she wanted to take her out. Ji Xiao, she was refusing and said, "You guys, let me go." But of course, right now, her father won't really allow her. Xiao Xiao, don't do this. It's so bad if your classmates see it. Would you like to eat steak the most? Oh, right now. What is the thing that Shi Xingyun want to discuss with her? Maybe about the company. Let us back and we can taste it. Oh, right now. Xiao said, then I'll thank you Dad. Xiao understand it and right now she don't want to argue with her father. Two of them went out on the restaurant, a fine dining restaurant. And right now, what is the thing that Ji Xingyun wants for her? That's why she really grabbed her to take out and dine outside. Food seems to be served. Right now, the two of them are keeping themselves silent. They're not talking, but Ji Xingyun suddenly, "Xiao Xiao, you see, Boss Chen really values Xingyu. Shareholders meeting has just ended and Wei Xingyu has already become the new star. Wei family is young, promising, and Lone Omega takes the lead to the company. Oh, it turns out like this. Ji Xingyun want to talk to her because Wei Xingyu is the one who's leaving the company right now. And he already lost the control to the company. Well, what could it be wrong? Look, directly opposite the window is Wei's building. The one next to it is our company. Oh, right now, Xingyun. He was really good at it. Dad, what are you trying to say? Xiao is asking her dad. Of course, she really know what her dads mean. She's the only one left that her dad's family. That's why Xiao Xiao, don't be so nervous. You're the only one who's relative of mine. Of course, her dad wants her. Every one of the things will go to her in the future. That's why her dad is really working for her. But right now, how could dad not give you? Oh, it really means that her dad will give everything to her. Of course, I want to take you and we can live here together. Well, this is bad. Seems that there's a lot of things will happen in the future. Well, let's see this. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support this channel, you can support by clicking the join membership button or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. The link is below. Thank you, bye!